We were so active in Bal Vihar or the Indian Kids Book Club, and this summer it's been pretty lonely that way. But this time I thought, why not try to show you some arts and crafts that we can make for Rakshabandhan or Rakhi this year. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to get a jar lid and try to either take a cardboard or one of these one single-sided adhesive sheets. So what we have is a cutout circle. Voila! Oops. So what we have here is the candy flower, which can also be part of the candy bouquet. But if somebody doesn't feel like they can manage with a bouquet because it feels like it's too much work, that's fine too. Then what you can do is just have this and make sure you kind of give it to the person you're giving it to while it's laid down rather than stood up, because these Ferrero Rochers can be very stubborn.